If you were trying to sell your home and your listing expired, your house didn't sell, yeah, we can all understand the frustration, but can we fix it? The answer is yes. And how we're going to fix it, that's coming up. Thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker here in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area along the Florida Suncoast. I do hope my little 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions. Please hit the subscribe button, subscribe below, check out over 100 additional quick tip videos. Now, back to our question. If your listing expired and your house didn't sell, we all understand your frustration. You want to get this done. So let's figure out what the heck happened or didn't happen. The first one thing here, and it's a big one, if it was priced too high, it may have turned buyers away. We all know that. I know you want to make as much as possible, but you got to be realistic too. We have to look very carefully as well at your active competition. Next, was it easy to tour? I know it's a pain, but being able to show the house at a moment's notice goes a long way. If you're not flexible on this, buyers will just go see something else instead. They're out looking. Think about whether your home is really set up to make a good impression too. Did you stage it, clean up the front, the back, the inside, the roof? Did you tackle those tiny repairs before listing? Or hope buyers would take on those little things themselves? Yeah, the devil is in the details. Little things do matter. And last, were you willing to negotiate? If you weren't willing to play ball, buyers will often walk away in today's market. They usually ask for something up front. If you're trying to decide whether to relist your house, let's have a conversation and figure out where to go from here. Appreciate you checking out the channel. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you, looking for help buying and selling here on the Florida Suncoast. And we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months, give us a call so we can help you make a smooth move. Call anytime, 855-MR-BEACH. Of course, you can see homes anytime on the beach or near the beach at MrBeachHouse.com. And check out your home's estimated value. It's fast, it's free, and it's easy at whatismyhomereallyworth.com.